Hello, children! Welcome to our 30-day reading program. Let's start with day 1. Are you ready? This is letter A, capital and small letter A. A says A. A. A is for ant. A. Art. A. Arc. A. Ask. A. This is letter B. B says B. B. B is for bag. B. Bat. B. Ball. B. Bus. B. Letter C. C says K. K. K is for cat. K. Car. K. Cow. K. Cup. K. This is letter D. D says D. D. D is for dad. D. Door. D. Doll. D. Dice. D. Letter E. E says E. E. E is for elf. E. Earth. E. Egg. E. Exit. E. This is letter F. F says is for fish. 4. Frog. 5. Letter G. G says G. G is for gum. G. Goat. G. Grass. G. Girl. G. Letter H. H says is for hen. Hot. Hot. Hole. Letter I. I says E. E is for igloo. E. Indian. E. Ink. E. Insect. E. This is letter J. J says J. J is for jug. J. Gel. J. Jam. J. Jar. J. Letter K. K says K. K is for kid. K. Keg. K. Kit. K. Kite. K. Letter L. L says L. L is for lamp, l, lion, l, lamb, l, light, l. Letter M. M says mm, mm is for man. Mm, moon, mm, mat, mm, map. Mm. Letter N. N says mm, mm is for none. N, nest, N, name, N, nut, N. Letter O. O says O. O is for orange. O, oval. O, owl. O, octopus. O. Letter P. P says P. P is for pot. P, pen. P, pad. P, pen. P. Letter Q. Q says qu, 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 queen. Qu, quail. Qu, quilt. Qu, quiz. Qu. Letter R. R says her. Her is for rat. R, rub. R, rat. R, ride. R. Letter S. S says s, s is for sun. S, sock. Seal. S, sock. This is letter T. T says t. T is for time. T, top. T, toad. T, tan. T. This is letter U. There are two sounds of letter U. The first sound is O. O. For example, O is for up. O, umbrella. O, umpire. O, under. O. The second sound of letter U is U. U. Same sound as you pronounce the letter itself. For example, U is for unicorn. U, uniform. U, ukulele. U, utensils. U. Letter V. V says v, v is for van. V, vault. V, vase. V, vulture. V. Letter W. W says W. W is for whale. W. Walrus. W. Wheel. W. Well. W. Letter X. The sound is X. X is for X-ray. X. X-ray fish. X. Exit. The sound of X is in the second syllable. Exit. X. 6. The sound of X is in the last sound of the word. 6. X. Letter Y. Y says Y. Y. Y is for yat. Y. Yo-yo. Y. Yarn. Y. Yak. Y. Letter Z. Z says Z. Z is for zoo. Z. Zipper. Z. Zebra. Z. Zoom. Z. You are the best. Goodbye, children. See you in our day 2 lesson.